Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at some steel brain rot secrets, and I'm going to show you the new brain rots I got. I even got a Christmas one, and we're going to see what's going to be happening, so you better smash that like button, turn the locations, and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you comment down your username, I will add you. Okay? I'm gonna get Robux this Christmas, so yeah. And now let's begin.
Okay, I could see them.
Okay.
Right there.
I don't.
Showing you a secret nobody knows and steal a brain rot. So first come over to this post. Jump up, then
What post? Where's the post? Oh, I think it's this way. Let's speed up. Oh, no, this way. Oh. This post.
showing you a secret nobody knows and steal Showing you a secret nobody knows and steal a brain rot. So first come over to this post. Jump up, then use your gravity coil. Then jump here. Once here, you have to jump up to the edge of the map. Now when you are up here, run around the edge.
Look.
Oh! What's happening? Guys, I'm gonna pause here. I was catching
The pteranodon.
guys, I couldn't find anything, but but I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna show you my brain rots, and then I'll show you some other things. Okay? So here's my ballerina peppermint um pe- pepper.
Oh, the Dominus Rex.
Yeah, ballerina pepperminta and ballerina cappuccina, and I put these together to see what's the difference. So comment down below what's the difference. Anyways, comment down his name. We'll do duel. Comment down his name. And oh, dun. But then comment down one. That one's. Hey.